In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot without coding. Custom objects let you model data that doesn't fit neatly into standard objects, like contacts, companies, or deals. Think of a custom object as a new record type tailored to your business, such as cars, events, or subscriptions. All built right in HubSpot without writing a single line of code. First, sign into your HubSpot account and head to the Settings area. In the top navigation bar, click the Settings icon. This takes you to the Admin Hub, where you control how your CRM is structured. If you don't see certain options, make sure you have the right user permissions to create and manage custom objects. On the left sidebar, look for Objects, then select Custom Objects. This is your workspace for building new record types and managing the ones you already have. You'll see an option to create a new object. Go ahead and click Create Custom Object. Now you'll define what this object is called. Enter a singular name, like car, and a plural name, like cars. These labels appear throughout the CRM, so keep them clear, consistent, and business-friendly. You can also add an optional description. Use this space to explain the purpose of the object and how your team should use it. A helpful description reduces confusion later and keeps everyone aligned. Choose these names carefully, as renaming can be limited after creation. Next, set the primary display property. This is the field HubSpot uses to identify each record at a glance, such as car model. Pick something that uniquely distinguishes one record from another and makes sense to your users in lists, associations, and record headers. Keep it concise and standardized. Clarity here saves time across your team. If you want to add extra context right up front, you can include up to 2 secondary properties. These appear just below the primary property on the record, so choose fields that add quick insight. Maybe trim level or license plate in the car example. This step is optional, and you can always manage additional properties later through the property settings. But keeping the most important details visible helps with scanning and reporting. Once everything looks good, click Create to finalize your object schema. HubSpot will set up the new object, and you'll be able to start adding records, viewing them in lists, and using them alongside your existing CRM data. That's it. No code, just a clean, structured way to capture the information your business truly cares about.